like 50 bricks. Rap niggas throwing hits and fits. I get my bitch a statues for a Christmas gift, and my bitch so bad she on my Christmas list. Remember I prayed really, I wish for this. To get the grip with the maid and with the picket fits. I'm with some niggas that mad, we took a risk for this. So talking risk your business, flick the wrist. Lord knows that I repent for this, but Lord knows if I get pinned for this, I probably won't get home until I'm 56. They say I'm the Messiah, you rappers is liars. I sign up at churches to rap at the choir. They spit my new verse at your way while you're lying. In the middle of the church up your way, no I'm lying. I just came from jail, ain't do no crying. They put me through hell, sharpen my iron. I did my push-ups and I roll with the line like hold up. From ballin', I'm tired, I'm back in this bitch and I'm back on my shit, man. They tell me be humble, I'm cocky as hell. Shout out my bitches that answer my call when I call the collectors. It got me through hell. Shout out that jet that denied me my bell. It made me smarter, it made me go harder. They locked me up, it slowed my album up, but I did not give up cause I knew I would prevail. Came in the game, Philly as shit. Look at these rappers, they silly as shit. I don't know why they be guessing these suckers, but fuck them cause I am not feeling they shit. Different between me and most of these rappers, I'm talking about work that I really put in. Talking about pistols I put on my hip, and I'm talking about foreigns I really could whip, that I really done drove. Really was froze in my hood, and these bitches I really did hit. Really was shows. Came up from nothing, and that ain't like I ain't made millions so quick. I'm in it back, and they feel like a sofa. I done seen bitches I'm fucking on over. In my new mansion, I feel like I'm Sosa. A brick on the table, ain't sniffing no coke and no way. All I wanted was a new Mercedes. Bending on the corner, whipping up the lot, I got it. Women love me, but the niggas hate it. But how can I know when I came from the bottom? Lord knows. Nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows. Nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows. Nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows, nigga, Lord knows. Fuck you! Come back to me. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I said I'm missing you now. Come back to me. I said I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I said I'm missing you now. Come back to me. Please come back to me. Boy, come back to me. Back to me. Back to me. I'm finding it too hard. I said I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I said I'm missing you now. Come back to me. Back to me. Please come back to me. Boy, come back to me. I'm finding it too hard. I said I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I'm missing you now. I'm missing you. I said I'm missing you now. Come back to me. Please come back.